Let's talk about facing. I'm going to show you how to do it right now, school style. So we're going to do it on the bench top before I actually show you in a bicycle so you understand everything very clearly. This is a BSA bottom bracket shell that would be bonded inside of a bicycle with the carbon fiber all the way around it. And I have already chased it and I left the chases inside of it. Then you reinsert the tools with the guide rod on one side. All right, it would be in the bike. And then you are going to use the cutting tool on the other side. Be careful with it. It is quite sharp, and it needs to be. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to be cutting this face right here. So what I want to do is I want to come in here. You can use some machinist die if you like, but we'll just use a Sharpie because everybody has a Sharpie. And we'll go ahead and just color that all the way around. And don't worry, Sharpie comes off really easy with some denatured alcohol, so don't worry about that. So the chase is in far enough that I'm not actually going to hit it if I am cutting. The reason for that we put that on there is to show you this. Okay, come on in here. You see how this is all removed right here? And that is not removed there. Okay, that is what the Sharpie is doing for us. It is showing us where we still need to cut. Now, when you are doing this in the bike, and as I will show you, you're going to have an assistant putting counter pressure on it because you want to make sure that the cutting face stays up against the shell because it's very important to have even pressure on it so that you're not chattering, okay? Because you're going to make some ugly stuff if you chatter, all right? So I took a little bit more off of there, and you see now, we're actually approaching a clean face, right? So that when the bottom bracket screws into this, when it screws in, the back side of this is going to be up against this perfectly, right? So that's going to ensure that both of these are parallel and that it is perpendicular because this is maintaining the perpendicular nature of it right here. And that is as easy as it is. It's really not hard at all when you know what you're doing, and now you do. So BBInfinite, check the link in our bio.